Hello guys, I am Tech Guide. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of SEO with part 2 of our series. We're picking up where we left off, so if you haven't already, make sure you've watched What is SEO Part 1 before continuing with this video. It lays the groundwork for everything we'll be covering today. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so you've got your website up and running, you've got some basic SEO in place, but now you want to make sure that when people in your local area are searching for businesses like yours, you're the one they find. That's where local SEO comes in, and it's a game changer. First up, you absolutely have to claim and optimize your Google My Business GMB profile. This is like your digital storefront on Google Maps and search, and it's the first thing people see when they're looking for businesses near them. Make sure your business information is accurate, up-to-date, and consistent across all platforms. We're talking about your name, address, phone number, website, hours of operation, everything. You'd be surprised how often this gets messed up, and it can really hurt your visibility. Next up, we've got citations. Citations are basically mentions of your business on other websites, directories, and online platforms. Think Yelp, TripAdvisor, your local Chamber of Commerce website, industry-specific directories, you name it. The more high-quality citations you have, the more credible your business appears to Google, and the higher you'll rank in local search results. Don't underestimate the power of reviews. Encourage your happy customers to leave reviews on your GMB profile and other relevant platforms. Positive reviews act as social proof, boosting your credibility and making people more likely to choose your business. Respond to reviews, both positive and negative, to show that you're engaged and care about your customers' experiences. Now let's talk about optimizing your website for local SEO. Make sure your website content includes location-based keywords. If you're a bakery in Chicago, for example, use phrases like Best Bakery in Chicago or Custom Cakes in Chicago. You can also create location-specific landing pages that target specific neighborhoods or areas you serve. Don't forget about mobile optimization. Most local searches happen on smartphones, so ensure your website is responsive and provides a seamless experience on all devices. Remember, local SEO is an ongoing process. Regularly update your GMB profile, monitor your citations, respond to reviews, and keep your website content fresh and relevant. It takes time and effort, but trust me, the results are worth it. Alright, let's talk about content, because in the world of SEO, content is king. It's the fuel that drives your website's visibility, engages your audience, and ultimately helps you rank higher in search results. But it's not just about creating any old content. It's about creating high-quality, relevant, and engaging content that people actually want to read, watch, or listen to. First up, let's talk about blogging. A blog is a fantastic way to consistently add fresh, valuable content to your website. Think of it as your platform to share your expertise, insights, and stories with your target audience. When you create blog posts that are optimized for relevant keywords, you're giving Google more content to index and rank, which means more opportunities to show up in search results. Plus, when people find your blog posts helpful and informative, they're more likely to spend time on your website, share your content, and even come back for more, all of which signal to Google that your website is valuable and worth ranking higher. But blogging is just one piece of the content puzzle. You need a solid content strategy. That means understanding your target audience, knowing what they're searching for, and creating content that addresses their needs and interests. Think about the questions your audience is asking, the problems they're facing, and the information they're seeking. Then, create content that provides solutions, insights, and value. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats. Blog posts are great, but videos, infographics, podcasts, and even interactive quizzes can add variety, keep your audience engaged, and attract different types of learners. And here's a pro tip: don't limit yourself to just your own website. Guest blogging on other relevant websites in your industry is a fantastic way to reach a wider audience, build backlinks to your website, and establish yourself as an authority in your field. But remember, quality over quantity always wins. Focus on creating valuable content that genuinely benefits your audience, and you'll see the long-term SEO rewards. We've talked about optimizing your website for search engines, but what about optimizing it for actual humans? That's where user experience, UX, comes in. UX is all about making your website easy to navigate, visually appealing, and enjoyable to use. A positive UX not only keeps visitors on your site longer, but it also sends positive signals to Google, ultimately boosting your SEO. Think about it. Have you ever landed on a website that was clunky, confusing, or just plain ugly? You probably didn't stick around for long. That's bad news for SEO. Google pays attention to how users interact with your site. If people are bouncing off quickly, it suggests your site isn't relevant or valuable, which can hurt your rankings. On the other hand, if people are clicking through multiple pages, spending time reading your content, and engaging with your site, it tells Google that your site is providing a good user experience. This is known as dwell time, and it's a significant factor in SEO. So, how do you create a website that people actually enjoy using? Start with clear and intuitive navigation. Make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for without having to jump through hoops. Organize your content logically, use descriptive menus and labels, and consider adding a search bar for quick access to specific information. Visual appeal matters too. A well-designed website is more inviting and engaging than a cluttered, outdated one. Use high-quality images, a clean layout, and a consistent color scheme to create a visually pleasing experience. But UX goes beyond just looks and navigation. It's about understanding your audience's needs and creating a website that caters to those needs. Pay attention to your site's loading speed. No one wants to wait ages for a page to load. Optimize your images, use caching plugins, and choose a reliable hosting provider to ensure your site loads quickly and smoothly. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly. More people are browsing the web on their smartphones than ever before. If your site isn't optimized for mobile, you're alienating a huge chunk of your potential audience. Use a responsive design that adapts to different screen sizes, ensuring a seamless experience on all devices. That wraps up our deep dive into local SEO, content strategy, and the power of user experience. I hope you found this video helpful in your quest for online domination. Remember, SEO is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep refining your strategies to stay ahead of the game. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to check back for more SEO tips and tricks. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. It really helps the channel out, and it lets me know what kind of content you guys want to see more of. See you in the next one.